Narito po tayo ngayon sa Bahay Pari National High School kung saan isinasagawa ang National Career Assessment Test. Para sa mga karagdagang impormasyon, kami ay nabigay ng katanungan sa punong guro.
Okay, so NCAI is actually an assessment for grade 10 learners. Actually, this time is not a paper and pen assessment. It is a computer-based assessment. And it's ongoing. It started last Monday, January 19, and probably it will end. For the school, for our school, it will end probably till Friday. So what is the purpose of NCAI administration? The main purpose of this assessment is to identify the strengths, skills, aptitude of our learners. And what is the main goal of this is to help them identify their skills with regards on how is the appropriate or the main strand they would get or enroll or choose in senior. Isn't it? They are already grade 10, you know? And then 2 months to go, they will be having this completion ceremony, and they will decide this very important decision of their senior high school life on what particular stand they are going to choose. So with that, this is very beneficial for them. This is what we call NCAI assessment for the grade 10.